to wish you find your love, your own true love.
We ready! We ride! We ride! We ride! We ride! We ride! He's back! He's back! He's back! We ride! We ride!
Hi, we're your social coordinators.
I'm Jillian.
And I'm Ryan. Friendship games, to me, is like the start of something you love. It's like going into something you don't know and coming back, experiencing the experience in friendship games and then coming back loving it. That's what friendship games mean to me.
What friendship games means for me is literally everything, because it's where my love for Pasa began. Even though that I didn't get to have the same experience that everyone else did, going through practices and games, I was still able to find my family there the weekend of.
For all aspects of friendship games, from roll call to spuff to game, we support each other.
Did somebody say spuff?
I'm ballin' like baby. They wanna have my baby. Nah.
The bang is in the area. The bang is in the area.
Now big time. Now big time. Big time. Big time. Big time. Top boy and now I'm getting cash money. They don't get no cash for me. We up to 40 on the oppas and we dropping. Jaw squad. Pila. Time to bring the bass back.
If they ain't got a price to pay, California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the bag. Yeah.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Driver all white, right? Couldn't hit it if it's high out. Lines can't call it, you like it. You had it, then you lost all the shot. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm a bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love, cause I be living hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a large. I don't care, I catch a ghost. Got 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big no fool. Daddy told me never leave the house without my two. Mama told me never trust a sucker nigga from the streets. Granny said she love me and she always praying for me. But I just wanna party. I don't wanna hurt nobody, just wanna party. I don't wanna hurt nobody, just wanna party. I don't wanna hurt nobody, but I beat the fuck.
Y'all ready? We ready! Y'all ready? We ready! We ride! We ride! We ride! We ride! We ride! He's back! We ride! He's back! He's back! We ride! We ride! Ooh!
On my grind, no, on the grind. On my grind, no, on the grind. On my grind, no, on the grind. Yeah, I'm on my grind. On my grind, no, on the grind. Yeah, I'm on my grind. I can tell your mom to the water. Tell me you gon' drown or your gon' drink. Tell me why I think I need a shrink. Feeling like Cam in the pink. Hold up, need a pen like I'm Tommy. Put me on the beat, I catch a homie. Pull up in your mint like Romney. All out. Know that wet like the Sonny. Swish. Know I need a queen like Savani. No, it's no doubt with Panani. She Bollywood dance like Punjabi. Slumdog in Mahi. Mahi, paying like Dolly. On my worst behavior, feeling like Dahi. Probably singing Lottie Dottie with a Saudi. I be counting all money, I ain't have to join the Illuminati. Nope. On my grind, no, on the grind.
I chose to become a social coordinator because I wanted everyone who came across Pasa to feel like they had a home. I wanted everyone who had different experiences or different things that they liked, just being unique and different, to have a place where they felt like they belong. And I feel like being a social coordinator was the best position to do that, as they are like the first impression of what Pasa truly is.
Shout out to Dina and Trisha for pulling me into actually doing friendship games. It was last minute, but they still made me feel so welcome. It wasn't even a second choice.
So the socials at the time that really motivated me as well to become a social coordinator were Carmela and Daisy, because in my eyes, they are the definitions of what a social coordinator should be like. They're always welcome. They always had time to listen. As much as they were the ones who led in talking, they listened just as much as they talked.
What I want newcomers and audience to know about friendship games is it is literally the best way and easiest way for you to make friends, meet a family, and stay active at the very same time. It may seem like a big commitment, but at the end of the day and at the end of friendship game season, it's going to mean so much to you, and you're going to wish that it never ended. Try it out. Try friendship games. Maybe it's something that you'll grow to love, and if not, that's okay too. Try something that may be out of your comfort zone, something that you never knew that you needed.
For the people watching this video, just don't be afraid to come up to us, whether it be age, whether it be like social orientation, whether it be like major or anything like that, culture. We are very welcoming, and I feel like the silly things that we do, especially like during games practice, is we don't really care about other people's like differences. We just love you guys for who you are.
Trying to know what the future holds, hey, but it ain't for you to know. To myself like the usual, yeah, but it ain't for you to know. My vision clear, never lose a hope, but it ain't for you to know. It ain't for you to know. To myself like usual, that's it, but it ain't for you to know.
Sometimes I gotta be dolo alone, just walking around. Young Gerald, young Charlie Brown. Some shit is better to keep to yourself than say aloud. Some shit you see and they don't, so I simply jot it down. It was written, had the vision as a youth that I'll make it here one day. A flight to the top, cop a one-way, while looking out the window of the subway 16, slapping Mac Dre. Somehow I just knew it'd be that way. I felt it so